7. Talk to Ole. Oh, Indaba. Talking my business is simple. Nazo zonke indaba zabasha. Indaba.
Kumbula ke ukuthi the show Indaba iyatholakala ama podcast these interviews uma uya kwi app ye Gagasi and then uzofika uyithola. We have a channel ebizwa ukuthi Indaba within the Gagasi FM app. Otherwise the show you can watch it now as Sikhuluma. It's live on Facebook, Indaba with Alex. Right, looking at the menu yanamhlanje, you had even in the news Gagasi in March and sibheka the movement itself, and the leader is joining us now. You know they have embarked on the journey at what is going on in Eddington Primary School, that's in Durban, and then we have Jacinta Ngobese Zuma who yena leader in March. And then after that from 6:30 to 7, the MEC Yaka Education held a press conference today. Interestingly, their pronouncements, I will show you about what we would have discussed with first hour. So we'll discuss all of that. And I will come to Jacinta Ngobese Zuma. The last time when we did Alex and the Crew, you were Jacinta Ngobese. Things have changed now. Jacinta Ngobese Zuma, welcome to Gagasi.
Yeah, people grow. Hey,
people grow.
Thank you so much for the welcome, Ms. Mtiana. I appreciate it so much. All
right. Now, you embarked on this. When it in March, it's what? Civil rights movement, human rights. Yinle that you champion as the organization?
We're a civil rights movement, or maybe just even a people-centered movement that specifically focuses on illegal immigration, which we have termed as an invasion in the country, because it's no longer normal immigration where people are moving in to live, or normal migration where people are just like there temporarily. So it's really a serious crisis that we're facing as a country.
Nginothisa ku response yakho, did you say illegal? Because the word out there is abafuna abantu bokufika. This is what you're championing. But kubantu abala kukhona aba documented, then bese kuzoba khona laba bangena ngokusemthethweni. Let's clarify that.
Look, I think we've been called a number of things, but we've been specific and we've been consistent in the fact that we talk about illegal immigrants, and not only just that, but foreigners as well who are in the country legally but are committing crime. Those are the two that we deal with.
Okay, so foreigners, but commit a crime.
Yes, that are here in jail just to commit crimes in the country.
Okay, and the support oitolayo because you are based in KZN, but this movement, footprint is all over South Africa. You even estimate in terms of membership, you attend my numbers?
I wouldn't be quite sure of the numbers, because the whole idea or concept around March and March is that everyone is March and March. Everyone who feels like they're proudly South African and they want to protect and defend their country is March and March. And we've got people who form different branches. I know there's Mthatha people as well. There's Johannesburg. There's even Cape Town now. People are coming on board. We've got Mpumalanga. We've got Pietermaritzburg that's also very active. And here at eThekwini as well. And in Richards Bay, they're also quite active.
Sure. Coming from a struggle family yourself and looking at the world today, we are here, we have South African kids who are all over the world belandela ama careers abo to get ukuthi babe ngcono empilweni. How do you balance le eyokuthi at some point, as South Africans, patriotic as we are, what we are doing now might be isn't affect abanye bethu who are elsewhere in the world?
I think it should affect us if you are in a country legally. I think any South African that goes to another country to break their laws, to become an illegal immigrant, a criminal, really needs to be dealt with and brought back home. So that we're not compromising on. But the nice thing, though, is that the move right now, the trajectory that everyone is moving towards is to protect their countries. In Europe, it's happening. In the USA, it's happening. Every single country is now saying that we want to protect ourselves.
Do you model yourself ngo ama stance ka Donald Trump?
I'm not a fan of Donald Trump. I think anyone who knows me knows that. I mean, even before elections, I was saying this man is such a clown. But the one thing I do admire about him is his love for the USA. And I feel like, as extreme as it might be, I mean, I was in America. And when I was in America, I remember I was in Philadelphia, and I was so confused because as I was walking through the streets, there was like 50,000 different languages. There's nothing wrong with that. But when I watched the news, I saw on the news that day that there was people literally on trains, sleeping on trains to get to America. And they were estimating that there's like 10,000 illegal immigrants a day that were coming into America. So I understand where he's coming from because I've been there. I've seen it.
Okay. My guest is Much and Much, the leader, Jacinta Ngobese. She clarifies, at least in the last 7 minutes, that all she is against is illegal foreigners. And if you are South African, as long as you are committing a crime, then she's not your friend. Do you have questions? 0861596596. Ngizothatha uVukani wakamthalane calling us from Thornwood. Vukani, ukwindaba sabona?
But Alex njani?
Sikhona sekumukela kwigagasi.
Ngiyabonga futhi ngiphinde ngibingelele lapho kusiswe country uJacinta esiyibambe naye almost 2 weeks lapha eDenton. Yes. Ngibonga nokuthi umjudge siphone. No, but Alex
besindawonye
kwimatch. Okay. Sure.
Yes. No, but Alex i-concern yami la ukuthi bathi ama-South Africans sayawathi ama-initiative njenge-March and March ukuze ugovernment wethu asilalele. It took almost 2 weeks ukuthi uSiphohlomuka afike lapha eDenton ukuze ukwazi ukuthi kufakeke izingane. So nje okubhlungu ukuthi each and every time la eSouth Africa uma sifuna ukuthi izinto zethu izwakale kufanele sibange umsindo. Kodwa thina we are the voters. Yabo lokho nje but Alex ngithi nje ngidlulisa ugovernment akasilalele because thina sivotayo. Mase ngibonga nawo wonke umuntu esibe naye lapha eDenton for almost 2 weeks. Siqhubekeni nje siyenze le nto mangobese nibe right siyabonga.
Okay, your response kuVukani Jacinta?
No, ngifuna ukubonga nje kubantu abafana njengaye. It's actually 13 days of us camping outside of Addington and trying to demand for a response from government until we took an extreme measure. You know, we bought
the response. I hear you say we need a response from government.
So when we initially came, sakhuluma nasi isikole, sakhuluma no principal, wanqaba ukukhuluma nathi flat out. Sakhuluma na SGB yathi izozama ukusiza. We could not meet now. When we went to the principal, why meeting inyawo literally what I'm just here to receive a letter. I'm not going to talk to you guys with a lot of attitude. So we said, we've got people like from June, bevala imali transport or transport ingane. They've been complaining to us. So we insisted even before with January. Because we want you guys to admit ingane zala in South Africa. I think it fell on deaf ears khona lapha esikoleni. Then when we went to the school, sahamba sacela department uthi bafika bayenza some window dressing session la bafika khona bathi hayi ingane sesiplace eGreyville.
Yes.
So like, but how are you placing ingane that are displaced from floods? Ingane encane ezinye zawo grade R, and you're saying they must travel all the way to eGreyville and instead of walking to school because the school is now dominated by abantu bokufika that you mawuphuma la mabephuma lapha ngaphandle you can see umzali ngayedwa eDenton unaingane ezu3 ezu4 ezu5 you know it's ridiculous.
Kunecala obhekene nalo kumanje lelo lokuthi uqoqozela ke udlame. How far is it now?
Funny enough, we're waiting for the NPA to us submit a letter to defend ourselves, which I think is going to be a very short. We don't know what you're talking about, because they're saying we must defend ourselves to us Sarkozy violence. But in this short,
which violence?
That's what we don't get, because on the day la bathi Sarkozy violence kwakhona amanyala u2 kukhona ne water tank esaspraywa ngayo thina abantu ekwaphinda futhi kukhona amaphoyisa mhlawumbe u100. We are saying if we were violent on that day, why didn't you arrest us on the day? Why did you allow us to carry on picketing and then come later and decide it's okay because you don't stop picketing? On top of that, magvula lelicala akukho ngisho a complainant eyodwa, not even one. It's just a policeman who said ukuthi thina besilokhozi.
So what's the status of that matter now? Uzovela enkantolo sewuvelile uzoba
Well, they're claiming ukuthi because they don't have enough evidence bazolidlulisa ku-NPA to decide if they're prosecuting us or not.
Kune call some are even saying ukuthi the intention is now that Siakma local government elections, this March and March movement is registered as a political party.
Yeah.
Are you heading that way?
I don't know how many times to say this, but people don't believe it. So I just want people to believe what they want to believe. Honestly, like I've been explaining myself over and over again. I have no.
You'll explain it for the first time on this show. Is this a political
March
party?
and March is never going to be a political party.
And
it is a civil rights movement, and the most important thing that we're promoting is patriotism around among South Africans. Among South Africans, our proud with some South Africans. You know, it's more than just about fighting illegal immigration. We're saying if a lot of South Africans loved their country the way that we did, we wouldn't have problems of people coming into the country, renting spaces from you, getting all of these services.
So dispute nalama reports ayeti uzoba mayoral candidate here MK party eThekwini?
I don't know. Well, I don't know where people are getting those news from. I mean, I've been approached by a number of political parties that I won't dispute.
Which you may apply political parties?
Maninga cool.
Like prominent political parties?
Maninga.
Is MK one of them?
Maninga cool.
Is the IFP one of them?
Gosh.
The reason I ask IFP because not so long ago there was a social media post where someone got the retractor. The statement I got this posted.
Yes,
so what you are funded by the IFP?
Yeah, everyone believes I'm funded. And like I said, Alex, if I spend time defending myself, I wouldn't get anything done. Because abanye, they write ukuthi lona ngobenza lento just because she's a single mother or lahla daughter. You know, abanye, the reason she's doing this is because she's poor and she's broke. So I'm not going to defend myself.
So but you was because walahla indoda engeyona yase South Africa.
Yes, abanye I'm Mozambican. Ngazalwa eMozambique, abanye ngenza lento because ngithola imali to destabilize the country.
So is it true though ukuthi no baby daddy or ungayena South Africa?
Oh gosh.
Okay. So now have you heard what the president said lately? Listen to this.
And I just want to make it very clear to anyone who is threatening any form of unrest, they will be followed up and they will be arrested. Those are people who belong in jail. Those are people who are the enemies of our democracy. The people of South Africa value this hard-won democracy and they don't want any form of instability. And we've always followed the rule of law. When you are dissatisfied with any decision, be it a government decision, the president's decision, a minister's decision, even a court's decision, there are ways in which all those complaints can be followed up. So for anyone to say that if this does not happen, they are going to have instability, it's against the will of the people of South Africa. And I can promise you, those people who have been hearing that. And
okay, what is your response to this?
I'm surprised that the president says that instability is against the will of the people. I feel like for someone who really is out of touch with what the people of South Africa are saying, and he completely ignores the will of the people of South Africa, he can't talk about law. There's so many laws that he's broken. And, by hiring the Minister of Police, the acting Minister of Police, how many laws did he break? He broke a lot of laws. But it's funny because people always glorify the law to favor themselves. It's like the Bible. You know, when you have the Bible and you want to criticize adultery, you'll find a verse. But if you want to promote adultery, you'll find a verse. So it's the same thing. I feel like the laws in this country are being used to favor whatever a person feels like favoring at that time. There's no consistency in maintenance and stability of the law. And if you're talking about the president quickly, Alex, there's a video by Uvuyo Zungula of ATM that perfectly describes how our president here has gone on to capture the judiciary system. And that's how I strongly, when I saw that video, I was captivated by what Uvuyo was showing. And I would encourage a lot of South Africans to watch that video.
Are you scared? Are you angered? Or are you moved at all?
By who? The
By
president?
by the pronouncements Esho head of
Oh
state.
no, I feel like if he was there doing apartheid and they fought apartheid and they didn't do it within the means of the law, then how is he the same person telling us about the means of the law? Did they not fight the very same laws during apartheid that was said to be correct at the time, the same laws that we're fighting today?
6 indaba onekakasi moyifucise iphakathi le conversation uzoyithola kwi-app as i-recording kwi-podcast. My guest is uJacinta Ngobese Zuma, uleader i-March and March. We are live on the Facebook page at Indaba with Alex. My guest is uJacinta Zuma Ngobese, and then sikhuluma about i-March and March. Mosanda kujoin now. She says got no intentions or plans to launch this movement as a political party, kakhulukazi because kunyaka wama local government elections. And then she says also a number of political parties emsondeza eduze to be party yawo, and also the president saying ukuthi bonke abafuna ukudala unrest bazoboshwa. Then we am challenger working a finger to president ukuthi you are out of touch with the reality. That's Jacinta Ngobese Zuma. Ngithatha usizwe luthuli nawo eNanda. Madla ntona kwindaba sabona?
But niyaphela but Alex.
Yebo sekumukela kwigagazi.
Ngiyaphila ngicela ukubingelela noSijacinta.
Yebo mfethu ninjani?
Ngiyaphila ngicela ukuthi uSijacinta ngicela uqine, understand?
Yeah.
Abantu base South Africa bangamaxoki, you understand? If i-politician ikuthiwa in a case bahamba bayogcwala emgwaqweni etown eThekwini bafike bathi hands off bani kuwa wonke lama-town ase-South Africa, but today kulwelwa ama-South Africans abayi mostly abo. You understand?
Yeah.
Abayi kunaleyo nto if kuthiwa politician baxolela ukufa, but i-politician izamela ifamily yayo, not bona. Bathi ukuthi hands off, but ngifuna ukuthi ngicela niqhubeke uJacinta, nathi siyathanda ukunjoy but thina most of the time semgwaqweni ngokomsebenzi, understand?
Yebo siyabonga kakhulu mfethu.
All right. Siyabonga sisi.
Siyabonga.
Ngiyadlala kusizwe ngeshow kundumiso Shando. Ndumiso wendaba sabona?
Mthiyani njani?
Siyaphila njani Mthiya?
Siyaphila. Ngithanda ukubingelela kuJacinta lapho e-studio.
Kunjani mkhaya?
Siyaphila mkhaya.
Hayi siyaphila.
Cha ngifisa ukusho ukuthi hayi cha uyibambe kahle sisi. Isho nje urepresenta kamnandi ngale ndlela le. Siyakwesela kakhulu, siyafisa ukuthi uqhubeke njalo nje usimele singama-South Africans ungaphela amandla, kodwa futhi again ngifisa ukuthi kule politiki ngoba ngiyeza kuthiwa kunama-political parties afisa ukuthi wajoyine uyibheka kakhulu sisi, ingakulimazi kakhulu ize ikususe endleleni kule ndlela nje ukuyona. Ngicabanga ukuthi right kakhulu. Okugcina sisi ukuthi nje yabona ukuhlangana kwenu e-studio namhlanje ngikhumbuza kudala.
So manje kushuthi akavele ayiyeke lento yomzabalazo ahlale kwi-radio.
Kabuya sayikhumbula leso nebona ikhulu.
Thank you so much.
No, siyabonga kakhulu Sure.
All right, sure.
No, siyabonga kakhulu. Interesting ukuthi from ukuhlala nawe as a colleague Gagazi celebrating 20 years and then now you come back usufake another hat.
Yeah, I think when I think about it, I think it was prophetic. I always knew my voice was going to be for change. I think you know this. I've always said this. I just know my voice is going to be for change. But I always thought it was going to be radio. But then God shifted me in another direction. And I always make it a point to listen to what God says to me.
Yeah, sure. All right. So how has impilo yakho changed now? Because when you entertainer, artist, msakazi, you are a people's person.
Yeah.
And you go everywhere. Comments like these. A selfie with you. Now you champion into ethinta safety nempilo yabantu. How has impilo yakho changed?
Yeah, definitely on a security point of view, I know I'm not as free as I used to be. But when I'm free, you know, I feel like now I can say what I want to say. You know, entertainment, you have to work within the boundaries and not say as easy because you're scared and you're confined and we are
Yeah.
So now I feel like as much as my life has changed in terms of safety, but I feel liberated in a certain way.
Sure.
Yeah.
At some point, umuntu nomuntu unonembeza at whatever level.
Yeah.
There are people who are in this country not ngokuthanda kwabo because
Yes.
babalekela izimpi, family have been displaced, they have ingane encane abacrossa nazo iborder. You being a parent yourself, at some point ayidluli leyo nto kuwena yokuthi isimo salomuntu osuka eSouth Sudan osuka kuphi la ekusuka khona from Zimbabwe, they are here ukusurvive so ingane zabo can have bread.
Yabona nje leyo Alex, ngicabanga ukuthi into enkulu kakhulu, sonke akekho umuntu onganayo uzwelo. Umakhelwane wakho umehlupheka, usho ukuthi wena kufanele uthathe konke ukuhlupheka kwamakhelwane wakho ukwenza uko wakho ezakho izingane bese ziyalimala at the end of the day. Wena ngeke yini ukhululeke ukuthi wena umsebenzi wakho wonke mawuhambile wayosebenza ingane zakho ziyakwazi ukuyithola lento ezifunayo, kunokuthi njalo nje wena ucabangela ukuthi umakhelwane wami uyahlupheka ngithathe yonke igrocery yami ngiyomnika, ohathi ngimthatha ezohlala la endlini yami. Akukwazi ukusebenza kanjalo ngoba lento isidala ukuthi abaholi labase Africa babe very complacent ngoba bayakwazi ukuthi benze noma yini. Omnangwanga nanga ufuna enye item manje abantu bakhe ngeke bamchallenge ngoba bazi ukuthi bazogijima beze South Africa. iSouth Africa kufanele ba absorb. So ingakho ke sina lenkinga esinayo ukuthi sizama ukuphusha bona futhi abantu bakulamazi ukuthi kahleni anikhumbuleni ukuthi uhulumeni inini ni uhulumeni njengoba nathi sizama ukwenza lokho.
Sure. NgikuNhlanhla Makhoba nawe eMtuba ukundaba enhlanhla.
Angibonge Mthiyani, ngiphinda ngibonga no producer bethu ukusilethela uMangobese.
Is shoshovu lesi.
Hayisuka.
Mqongeba.
Yebo.
Uyabona nje kumanje Mthiyani, you can't believe ngathi bengiprophet ukuthi kuzoza uMangobese la. Ngifakela ku-status sami. I think bekhuluma nje amazwi ajulile, angazi wayekhuluma naye inkatheli kodwa khona amazwi ajulile. Ngifaka ku-status sami phela ngifakile ngiyabona like.
Yeah, wayekhuluma kuGagasi FM News Wrap le released on Friday izosiphumelele zonke.
Yabona la ulosazane mina ngicamanga yabona nginale guilty conscience ukuthi ngisemtuba angikwazi ukujoina amamasha akhe as much as I wish ngisimo somnotho ngabi right, but mina ngiyakwazi ukudrive ngingenzuze lutho ngiyento engiyisupport ama ngibona ukuthi right. I wish ukuthi isimo sizoba right ngihambe ngiyosupport amamasha akhe ngoba Mthiyani izolifile ngidress ngifile izothi ayithi ababona support ngiyaphatha kabi nje ukuthi uhlomuka engaze akukhulume kanje as if uMangobese uphusha into yeagenda yepolitics as if bona ababoni kwenzakalani. Kumanje mina ngiyabonga mina Mthiyani ukuthi kwavotwa yakhona le-MK yahlakaza uANC. Yabona uma ungabuka koMadlanga Commission today ukuthi kuvele ukuthi abantu sibathembile abakuma position aphezulu abaphethe zokuphepha bahlala nezigebengu ukuthi ayibulala abantu amanokhuzana abantu ama-whistleblowers.
Your response to Makhoba?
Ngivumelana kakhulu naye ngoba into engifuna ukuyigxeka kakhulu before ngize ninginqamule. Osopolitiki sebe abantu abasebejwayezile ukuthi yonke into fanele ibe PR. Mawukhuluma ngempilo zabantu, iPR ayisizi. Kwesinye isikhathi anike nivume nje ukuthi hayi silenzile iphutha nakho sokulungisa. Anike nivume nani ukuthi you know hayi la asihambanga kahle. Angeke ubezwe beyisho leyo nto. Kunalokho kuzothiwa ipolitiki sizotholani thina ngokuthi sithathe izingane engafundi. Ngabe yabo kube leza ingane azange intervene ngabe hleli walkers eBish namanje up and down kodwa kuthiwa zidlala ipolitiki anginandaba ke nokuthi kuthiwani ngami kodwa mina ngibonga ukuthi lezi ingane namhlanje zine future zine kusasa and sisazoqhubeka siyilwe lento yeingane zase South Africa engafundi ngoba bafuna khona ukuzenza lezi zinto abathi amaphara ehlala ngaphansi kwama bridge bebedayisa ama drug bona futhi osopolitiki benza
mhlawumbe sizathu ke lesi that should propel you actually if you are disappointed ngeconduct of politicians then join them so you can change it usungaphakathi ithi ngithathe uSifiso from Emerisbeck Sifiso Windaba sabona.
Alex.
Yes Sifiso Windaba sabona.
Angibingelele niyaphila emsakazweni eGagasi FM.
Yebo sekumukela nathi kwiGagasi FM.
Mangobese ngibingelele.
Yebo Sifiso.
Ngiphatheke kabi ukubona uMEC waKwaZulu Natal wezemfundo ekhuluma kanje ukuthi ngathi kunenhleso yepolitiki ukuthi ngomthetho futhi ibona abahlezi vele besebenzisa ipolitiki. So angikuboni neyiphuthu ukulwela izingane ukuthi zikwazi ukungena esikoleni. Akwazi ngempela abafowethu
ukuthi iy'ngane zaseNingizimu Afrika kugcina kube yizona engakwazi ukuthola isikole bese kuthi ezangaphandle ikwazi ukuthola isikole kanti inkululeko lo soyithola mhlazane kunjani.
Engakaphenduli nje uJacinta angisale sengikutshela la Luthuli ekutheni the MEC uHlemuka is going to join us masiqeda nje manje no Mrs Zuma he is going to join us and then uzothola ithuba loku-elaborate further and then sizombuza leyo mbuzo. Your response to the statement yenzo MEC waka-education uHlemuka?
I think that this is the new kind of oppression sesicindezelwa ngendlela ehlukile manje. Qala sasino yabo into ebuhlungu ukucindezelwa umuntu wakini omnyama ukuthi lokhu ku-window dresser wenze ngazi ukuthi akwenzeki. Qala sasi oppress abelungu sabavumela bakwenza for many years. Namhlanje khona abantu bokufika abasicindezelayo lokhu kuthiwa ingoba abantu abamnyama. Ukuba abamnyama kusho ukuthi fanele nisuke emazweni enu nizothatha imisebenzi yabanye abantu nizoyenza ubugebengu la ama trafficking rings ama child traffickings i-prostituting ama-drugs bonke labantu bahlangene bama syndicates basebenza nabantu bakhona la eSouth Africa ukuthi bazenze lezo zinto. I-oppression esidila nayo njengamanje uhulumeni ongasithatha serious and I feel like abantu base South Africa nabo ba to blame ngoba nilokhu nivotela abantu nibabona ukuthi abanenzela ushintsho. It's time for you now to take your vote seriously. Ivoti lakho akube yinto oyicabangayo ungavela uvuke ekseni nje uthi ngiyovota.
What is the relationship here March and March ne-provincial government yakwaZulu Natal le lidwa Mtuli?
Thina sine relationship now wonke umuntu who wants to have a relationship nathi. Sihambile saya eGoli saya kwi-department yaka-education sakhuluma noHlawudi wa confirm ukuthi ngicela nje ni confirm ukuthi ne relationship nathi. I-department yaka-Home Affairs ne relationship enhle nabo masithole information sayidlulisa. Uhulumeni wakwaZulu Natal uhlezi usibiza uthi isicela sibenzele ama suggestions ukuthi singenza kanjani ngoba bane program ekuthiwa engangeni ngesango iyafohla. Sizama ukusebenza futhi nabo. Umuntu thina sithi asikho willing ukusebenza naye yikho futhi i-department enjalo ukuthi amanye ama-department ahulumeni asibona njengezitha noma ama-vigilante laba bahlale befuna ukusenza ngathi siyiwona kodwa umsebenzi sesiwenzile thina kule nyanga ehlule ubahlule in many years.
Yeah, le question nami yazi bengibuza ngani ekutheni khona manje you are responding to an MEC waka-education. I'm not sure whether a coincidence yini ukuthi in the last year that would mean ukuthi you have locked horns with at least 2 MECs. You as uJacinta from the MEC waka Health Nomakuku, then to MEC Sipho Hlemuka. Is it a coincidence that they come from ANC?
I haven't locked horns with the MEC Waga Education. I wouldn't believe so. Njengoba ngisho asikaze sibe ne-interaction ne-department ya-education sibezo bekhuluma nje lapha nathi sikhulume ngala kodwa akaze kuze kufike to the extent like kuthiwa kuba ngendlela kwakungayo ka-health where it's become personal engazi ukuthi kuliwa nathi kanjalo nje. No, I wouldn't say that.
Okay.
So the only department yasithatha yasibeka kulelo zinga ukuthi kuba ngathi ku-personal sekhishwana nasemsebenzini i-department yaka-health.
All right. Ngizokhuluma nayo MEC waka-education now. So are you
comfortable
planning to meet with him to address these matters?
We tried.
You approached them all.
We did. Sahambisa ngisho memorandum.
And then what was the response?
Njengoba ngisho esikoleni ngisho Eddington namhlanje befika sicelile ukungena basinqabele bathi singangeni. Yabo, I think banane protective barrier abayi-create around themselves ukuze singakwazi ukucommunicate nabo. Ngoba ngisho it's not personal. Thina we just want lento esifuna ukuthi niyenze and that's
Thank
it.
you, Jacinta. We will play the MEC this recording. But thank you again for being with us on Gagasi FM.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Siyabonga kakhulu ke Jacinta. Yes. The conversation ikhona kwi-app uzoyithola as a podcast March and March and we are live now. You can watch this on Indaba with Alex on Facebook. Up next, so khuluma MEC waka-education Sipho Hlemuka. And then some of the things ngibonile amanye ama-comments abebheke khona to the statement asenzile earlier, so he will clarify position yabo on this matter and then ngamanye ama-matter athinta izimo saka-education. Indaba on Gagasi.